What is health and fitness? Health and fitness aren't just about working out, they're about taking care of your body and mind. Staying healthy helps you feel good, live longer, and be more productive. Key aspects of health and fitness. Health and fitness involve three key areas. Physical activity. Physical activity keeps your body strong and your heart healthy. Nutrition. Good nutrition is the foundation of a healthy life. Mental well-being. Mental well-being is just as important as physical health. Why health and fitness matter. Staying healthy helps you do better in school, work, and life. Being fit also reduces your risk of getting sick and helps you live longer. Exercise releases happy chemicals in your brain. This is why exercising can make you feel good and boost your mood. Staying fit and healthy makes life better, from school to work to everything in between. Start making healthy choices today and build a stronger, happier you.